Welcome to Painless Maths. Today, we will talk about substitution. So, what is substitution? Let's look at the key point on the left, first. Replacing a letter with a given number in an expression is called substitution. I will explain what this means through an example. Let's take a look. For example, find the value of the following expression when x equals minus 2. 2x plus 6. First, x equals minus 2 is given, meaning that the letter x in the expression 2x plus 6 is replaced by minus 2. So, replacing x in the original expression with minus 2 gives 2 times minus 2 plus 6. Now all we have to do is to calculate this. So 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, and minus 4 plus 6 equals 2. So the answer is 2. You will understand this quickly if you actually do a few exercises, so let's try some questions. Now, let's look at the exercise. If you think that you can answer these questions yourself, feel free to stop this video and try it yourself first. If you are not so sure, then let's continue to look at this together. First, let's start with the premise. When x equals 3, find the value of the following expression. Number 1. 3 minus 2x. First, x equals 3 is given, meaning that the letter x in the expression 3 minus 2x is replaced with 3. So, replacing x in the original expression with 3 gives 3 minus 2 times 3. Now all we have to do is to calculate this. So minus 2 times 3 equals minus 6. And plus 3 minus 6 equals minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. Number 2. 15 over x. The same goes for this question. Since x equals 3 is given in the premises, we just need to replace x with 3 in the original expression. Then you get 15 over 3. Since it can be divided by 3, so the answer would be 5. Number 3. Minus 2x squared plus 3x. This question is also the same. Since x equals 3 is given in the premises, we just need to replace x with 3 in the original expression. Then the original expression becomes minus 2 times 3 squared, plus 3 times 3. Let's calculate the first part of the expression. Minus 2 times 3 squared means minus 2 times 3 times 3. So we get minus 18. Then, the other part of the expression in the back is 3 times 3, which equals 9. Therefore, the original expression becomes minus 18 plus 9. And the answer would be minus 9. Okay, next. When x equals minus 2, y equals 3, find the value of the following expression. Number 1. Minus plus 2y. The key to this question is that the approach is exactly the same, no matter how many letters need to be replaced. All you have to do is to replace the given number with the corresponding letter. In this case, x equals minus 2 and y equals 3 are given. So let's put these numbers in the places of each letter. Then we get minus times minus 2 plus 2 times 3. If we calculate each of these, we get plus 2 plus 6, and the answer would be plus 8. Number 2. 2xy squared. Here too, all you have to do is replace the given numbers with the corresponding letters. In this case, x equals minus 2 and y equals 3 are given. So let's put these numbers in the places of each letter. Then we get 2 times minus 2 times 3 squared, which means 2 times minus 2 times 3 times 3. If we calculate this, we get minus 36. Number 3. Minus 3 brackets x plus 2y, plus 4 brackets 2x plus 2y. It is the same for this question. Just replace the given numbers with the corresponding letters. However, I want you to look at a key point here for a moment. If the original expression given is long and complicated one, then you should first simplify the original expression before substituting them. This is very important, so keep it in mind. So in this case, before you dive into substituting the numbers with the corresponding letters, you should consider simplifying the expression first. So, you first remove the brackets from the original expression using the distributive law. And then, group x with x and y with y, then substitute the given numbers for each letters and calculate. Watch me for a moment. The first part of the expression, minus 3 brackets x plus 2y. You multiply the minus 3 onto each of the terms inside the brackets like this, and you get minus 3x minus 6y. Next, the other part of the expression is plus 4 brackets 2x plus 2y. So, you multiply plus 4 with each of the terms inside the brackets like this, and you get plus 8x plus 8y. Then, combining the x with x, and y with y, respectively, we get plus 5x plus 2y. Now that the original expression became simplified, we can replace the letters with numbers for the first time here. So it becomes plus 5 times minus 2, plus 2 times 3. And this is going to be minus 10 plus 6, which equals minus 4. So, that's it for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. This concludes Unit 2 Introduction to Algebra. In the next unit, we will talk about equation. Please make sure to watch that video too. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the easiest math tutorials on the planet.